Hey there, hi there, ho there. It is a 1956 Chevy 210. 4 on the floor. And 1 under the hood. Check that out. Not enough horsepower, they had to add a couple more. And a couple more here too. Only this one's ran by pedal drive. Saves on gas. Flintstone style. Ooh, such a bad dog. But you can always cheer up with a A&W float and a burger and fries. All it needs is a picnic basket. And the back end. Do we get one? Do we? What do we get back here? We get, we gotta get better. We make sure we don't run out of gas, and we can fix it when it breaks down. And a full-size tire, not a donut. Not something to make you hungry. Now check that out. You don't get lights like that no more. They're normally flat. You can see right by them. They can't hear. Oh, check that out. You can even touch them down. Now, do you know how much time that would save us on modern vehicles? No, now you have to take it to a mechanic and they have to remove 40 parts before they can get to one light bulb. Thank you, sir. Creations that should come back into effect. It's even, just look at that. It's even easier to get to the radiator or anything in most all these older cars. Enjoy. And find more here on Willis Talk.